Strength without explosivity is just aesthetics. Today, I will teach you how to un-bodybuild yourself and become a brutal force. Today, I will show you how you build raw, brutal strength, guys. I will make you more explosive than a fucking atomic bomb, guys. Forget bodybuilding. This is power building. Let's go. Guys, today you will learn 4 exercises, 1 way to do them, and 1 outcome is only possible when you start doing them. And that's total, brutal, raw power. Now, the exercises are thrusters, kettlebell swings, cleans, and switch pull-ups. And I know that you don't know what switch pull-ups is, so watch till the end, because the switch pull-ups is going to make you build a back, a biceps, a grip, and explosive power like a Hiroshima atomic bomb, guys. So check the whole episode, trust me, these 4 exercises is all you need to become Mike Tyson of the gym. Number 1, the thruster. What to think about? Guess what? Power fucking position, always. Think that you're doing a deadlift, pulling the barbell up to the shoulders, squatting down into a front squat, standing up, and doing a military press. This is all the movements that exist in the world in one, pretty much. And this is how it should look, guys. And if you want a breakdown, exact videos on explanations, how to do every single one of these exercises, drop that in the comments, guys, and then I will do that in the future. But right now, let's go fucking beast mode. Now the grip, guys, always, like in every exercise, thumb wide, pushing your feet through the floor, like in a deadlift. Coming up in a front squat, standing up. Now you can take a break here if you're a pussy. If you're not, then you go directly up into a push press, knockout, coming down. And this is how it looks in action. All right, guys, second exercise. The clean. Now the first exercise was a pushing exercise. This is a pulling exercise. And in this one, guys, you develop traps, you develop rear delts, you build a badass back. You're doing all the movement and get all the training that you do in a deadlift. But now you're just doing it in an explosive movement and a longer movement because there is more movement patterns involved. Grip, the same, always, thumb wide. Position, like in a deadlift. You are doing a deadlift. Pull. Explode up, come down, and come up. And now you finish the clean. Get the bar down, and in to the next rep. Remember, power position is key. If you, at some point, start losing your shoulders, you start losing your thoracic spine, you start losing your lower back, you start losing all the connection. And remember, for power to be transferred from one part of the body to another, there must be a connection. When something releases somewhere, the power will start escaping. So the whole body have to be in full connection. And this is how a clean should look, guys. Guys, well done. You're halfway through. But halfway through, we'll only build half of the man. And if you want to build a full man, and the most explosive man on the planet, you have to check the next 2 exercises. And the third one is kettlebell swing. I know, you've heard it, you've seen it, you've tried it. Well, we are going to do it the American way, not the Russian way. Woo-ha! The American way, guys. This is the full range of motion. Now, what you want to be thinking about in a kettlebell swing, you're doing a hip thrust. Exactly this movement, power position, shoulders back, kettlebell coming close to your groin, exploding from the hips, pushing the kettlebell forward from the hips, generating power from the ass. This is the engine. Forward, leaning backwards, keeping a power position, continuing all the way up, head forward. You are finishing in the same position as in the military press. And now leaning back, because the kettlebell is going to be heavy. So leaning back, coming in to a hip thrust position again. Bam! Thrusting up. So use that engine to generate power and use the connectivity of the power position to transfer that power and get the kettlebell all the way up. Now guys, we have a funny 28 kilo kettlebell, but I will show you how to do it anyway. For this exercise, you want to go heavy. You want to feel that the kettlebell is about to rip you out of the ground when it's flying up. So, hip thrust position, Head in. Very important, at the top, make sure to lock every joint out, squeeze the kettlebell. You want to be in control of the kettlebell, not the kettlebell controlling you. You don't have to make a stop, but you have to be able to make one to know that you are in control of the movement. All right, guys, 3 down, 1 to go. On to the last one. The last one, guys, is going to blow your explosive power up. This is a pulling explosive movement that will generate more force than any of these other movements, but it's a scary one. So if you got balls, come and check the last one and watch the video to the end. And if you don't, unsubscribe, unfollow, unshare, and unlike. Because if you're not aspiring to be the best man you can possibly be, this channel ain't for you, brother. The fourth and the last exercise that will build your explosive power like nothing else is change grip pull-ups. Now what is that? You are pulling full speed and changing grip mid-air. Pulling, changing grip mid-air. Now guys, this is a fucking beast exercise. It's scary. It doesn't only build your muscles, it builds your heart, because you will be scared doing this. Trust me, try it out. Now if you want to be a bitch about it, put something soft underneath that. If you fall, you don't hurt your back. But if you want to go like a man, just jump up, pull as hard as you can, let go, and hope for a smooth landing. This is how it should be looking. Now why? This exercise is so beast mode. Because you have to pull with all your power, so you come higher than in a normal pull-ups, so you have the time to change the grip. Start doing those, guys, and I guarantee you the explosive speed power is going to elevate to new levels. If you like this, guys, let me know in the comments if you want to see more athletic workouts or if you want me to focus on bodybuilding. Let's go grow, guys. Share, like, and subscribe.